Good morning, my dear children. Hope you are all doing good. In today's class, we shall see the bookwork of the lesson A Story of Self Sacrifice and Bravery. This is Aishwarya Lakshmi, the training teacher. Let us proceed on to today's class. Let us see the answer to the following given in section 1. How did Nirja save the Americans? Nirja saved the Americans by hiding their passports and throwing them down the rubbish bins. Second question. Why did Nirja alert the pilots? Nirja alerted the pilots to escape through the alternative exits. Third question. What happened when the terrorists lost their patience? When the terrorists lost their patience, Nirja leapt into action. She shed all her hesitation and fears. She worked her way around, helping to save as many passengers as she could. Let us move on to the answer the following given in section 2. First question. Name the schools and colleges Nirja studied in. Nirja studied in Sacred Heart School and Bombay Scottish School. She got graduated from St. Xavier's College. Second question. Why was Nirja sent to London? Nirja was sent to London to train to be a purser. Question number 3. What is the duty of a purser? Pursers worked as managers on flights. They handled passengers' complaints and security. They also made required announcements. Now let us see the answer to the following for section 3. Question number 1. Why was Nirja awarded the Ashok Chakra? Nirja was awarded the Ashok Chakra for bravery in peacetime. Question number 2. How was Nirja honored by various governments? Nirja's act of bravery was acknowledged and rewarded by the Indian, Pakistan, and American governments. She was awarded the Ashok Chakra. A postage stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. She received Justice for Crimes Award and Tangam-e Insaniyat Award. Justice for Crimes Award is given by the American government and this award is given by the Pakistan government. Question number 3. What are the selection criteria for the Nirja Bhatt Panam Award? The trust presents 2 awards every year. One to honor a flight crew member, the other to an Indian woman who overcomes social injustice. Women. So, this activity is left up to you, children. You have to think and analyze the situations. Okay. Next activity is fill in the blanks. Okay. The terrorists asked Nirja to collect the passports of the passengers because why they need the passengers? Because they could identify the Americans on board. Their main target was Americans, right? Yes. Nirja passed on warning in a code to the pilots because she wanted to alert them. That is why she passed on a warning code. Nirja leapt into action when she noticed there was chaos on board. Chaos means a problem on the flight. Here, board represents the flight. Nirja had a sore marriage. So, sore means a difficult marriage due to pressuring dowry demands. Okay. So, dowry, as usual, Varadachanai Kodumai, right? So, the husband family had tortured Nirja for dowry. That's why she left her husband. Nirja was sent to London based on her performance and peer review. Now think and write. I will die but not run away. Just as the saying of Nirja. The family of Nirja were discussing the sensitive situation of an imaginary hijack. Hijack, you know that. Flight கடத்துறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is called as hijack. The Nirja said these words, I will die but not run away. She was determined not to be a coward. Coward means ஒரு கோழை. Okay. She lived up to her word. Whatever she said, she followed that in her life and she died because of that, right? Now, question number 2. Why did the three governments, India, America, and Pakistan, honor Nirja? India, America, and Pakistan acknowledged her act of bravery. She had saved many passengers, risking her life, so she was honored by these governments. Now, question number 3. How can we abolish terrorism? Terrorism means தீவிரவாதிகளை நம்ம எப்படி நம்ம abolish means we shall அவங்கள எப்படி நம்ம அந்த ரூட்டில் போக முடியாமல் நம்ம தடுக்கிறது. எஸ், we can abolish terrorism by the following ways. Stop supporting the dictators who founded the terrorism. Dictators means like Hitler. நான் சொல்கிறது தான் like that. It is not people oriented. This is for the government is for these dictators only. Okay. Stop arming terrorists. Arming means stop providing weapons to these terrorist groups. Stop imperial conquest for Arab oil. We are supporting many Arab countries for oil and for everything. No, we have to stop that. So we can be dependent, but we should not fully be dependent on them. Okay. Stop torture. We should not torture anyone. Tackle corruption. We have to manage corruption. Corruption means ஊழல், லஞ்சம், இது எல்லாத்தையுமே we have to bring it under control. And money laundering. Through illegal ways there are money passing from one country to another country. We have to stop those. So by doing all these we can abolish terrorism. So there is a flow chart here. You have to read the story of self-sacrifice and bravery once again and complete the flow chart. Okay, I will show the summary of that lesson, of that particular lesson in a short. So you have to recall the concept once again. You can write in 1 or 2 words or in a sentence. You have to fill this flow chart by yourself. Let us see the life of Nirja Bannett. Nirja Bannett was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh, Punjab, India. Her parents were Harish Bannett and Rama Bannett. Her father was a Mumbai-based journalist. She had brothers named Akhil and Anish. She started her career in modeling. She then applied for flight attendant job with Panam. Okay. Then we shall see about her achievements. She was sent to London to be trained as a purser. Soon she became a senior flight purser. She was awarded the Ashok Chakra award from the Indian government. A postage stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. That means after her death. She was also awarded the Justice of Crimes Award by the American government. Tangam-e Insaniyat Award by the Pakistan government. So these are her achievements. Based on these 2 paragraphs, you have to fill that flow chart. Let us move on to the next activity. Fill in the blanks with appropriate airline vocabulary given in the box. So there are some vocabulary means new words given in this box. So according to the sentence, you have to select that and you have to fill up here. You must present the boarding pass at the gate. It might be a bumpy ride because we are flying through a storm. If you need anything, just press the call light. Call light means alarm. Okay. Or just like a calling bell. Okay. The captain and the co-pilot sit in the cockpit. Cockpit means the front portion of the aeroplane. Gate 3B is down this hall and to your right. We will be landing in Chennai in approximately 10 minutes. The plane almost missed the runway. Runway means the pathway where the flight can travel. The landing place or the start of place is called as the runway. Because it was such a bad storm. We are all next in line to take off on this runway. Take off means they are ready for traveling. The flight is going to start. That was a very smooth touchdown. That means landing. This turbulence should only last a few minutes. Okay, let us move on to the next activity. Match the phrasal verbs in column A with their meaning in column B. Fight or flight. What is the meaning of this phrase? Let us see. That means to defend oneself or to run away. Okay. Put to flight. What is the meaning of this phrase? To cause someone to flee. Take flight. To flee or run away. Flight of fancy. That means an imaginative but unrealistic idea. Have a nice flight. That means enjoy your flight. In full flight means escaping as rapidly as possible. Okay, from a hard situation, some people will be running away as fast as they could. That is called as in full flight. Top flight, among the best of the particular group. Okay, while someone or some group of people are performing in a competition or somewhere, so among those, the best of that performance is called as top flight. Okay. Let us move on to the last activity. Find out the anagrams. Use each pair of phrases as clues. What do you mean by anagram? Yes, let us see. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. For example, seat east. See, there are 4 letters in this particular word, so we can change the order of the letters, but we have to form a meaningful word. This is for this activity. Alert, alter. See, you should not bring any other new letters inside. Using these letters only, you have to coin the new word. Okay, so let us see what we can do. The past tense of leap, leapt. Something to serve food on, plate. Okay, the same set of letters are given here also, but the words are different. A place to grow flowers, garden. Something to be careful of, danger. Another word for under, below. A part of your arm, elbow. Try to hear, listen. Another word for quiet, silent. Yes, question number 5. Another word for gift, present. A large snake or a dragon, serpent. So you might have heard this word in Harry Potter movies. Yes, let us move on to the next one. Minutes and hours, time. A thing on the list, item. An organ that pumps blood, heart. The planet we live on, Earth. Something used to water plants, hose. Hose means a pipe, a long pipe. A thing you put on your foot, shoe. So I think you might have understood the concept very clearly, children. That's all for today's class. If in case if you have any doubts, you can contact your English teacher. Thank you, children.